Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an EB formula review. And you may have found this product in your inbox and wondered, is it something worth your money or not? I'm going to give you a walkthrough here in just a minute. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews like this to let you know if certain products are worth your money or not. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the review. Again, the name of the product is EB Formula. The creator is Dan Wright, and the cost is $37 plus there's a downsell of $27. So let me show you what is inside the product here. You're going to come to this page first. You're going to have access to the EB Formula training videos, and then they have you sign up for John Crestani's webinar here. Let me show you the videos. Okay, so first of all, it starts out, the product is about eBay dropshipping. So they're going to show you, first of all, they're talking about AliExpress because that's where you're going to be dropshipping from. And then this one here, he gives you income proof, and he shows his eBay account where he had 188 transactions and made $5,800. Now, that is not all profit because, of course, if you're drop shipping, you have to consider subtracting the cost of the product that you ship to your customer. And also you have to consider eBay fees and PayPal fees. So that's not all profit, and that's a lot of transactions. Okay, so then this one here, they talk about Alibaba versus AliExpress. And then they do show you how to set up your eBay store, how to sign up for PayPal, and get that all connected. And then let's see, this one here is how to pick your niche and picking your product to drop ship. And then they're talking about drop shipping here. Drop ship test, how to pick your product, and then they'll go over how to list on eBay and how to do returns, which is really important, and how to do variations on a certain, like if something is different colors, how to list that, different sizes. Okay, and then they're going to show you how to ship it and how to track it. And then this one here is going to show you how to rank your product. So you'll get shown higher in eBay search. And then they're going to show you some external promotions using social media, product examples. They gave you some case studies on some things that they've sold and the money that they've made. All right, and then conclusion. Then it's going to go into a lot of Facebook training. Okay, how to market on Facebook, how to promote, how to go viral on Facebook, Facebook marketing on your personal page, and just how to really maximize engagement. And this is interesting, setting up chatbot for engagement and sales, marketing from your group, running contests, establishing yourself as an expert. Again, more engagement, Facebook traffic. Oh, Facebook Marketplace and selling in local and global groups. That's interesting. I've always had a lot of good luck selling on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook and other social media automation, introduction to Facebook ads, and it's showing you how to do Facebook Lives. You can see like in this one here, there's 12 videos, so there's a lot of videos in there. And then they show you how to market on YouTube, how to do SEO, keyword research, how to rank higher, how to use YouTube's algorithm in your favor, making your videos show up in Google, not just in YouTube search, and showing you how to build your channel, YouTube Live section, small channel adjustments that can make a big difference, common things to consider for a show, YouTube AdWords to boost your video ads and cheap advertising, social media to boost your YouTube rankings, Facebook ads to run to your video to boost views, how to improve quality long term, and then some tips on equipment. So there's a lot of training in here on YouTube as well as Facebook marketing. Once you find your product and you're going to drop ship it. So I would say the pros of the EB formula are that it's low price, money back guarantee, and there's lots of videos in there rather than ebooks. And to me, that's much, much easier to learn than to watch something and to read something. I would say the cons are there's unrealistic income claims in the sales video. They said you can make up to $500,000 a year. That's pretty high income, maybe down the road. But I know I've done eBay drop shipping and the profit margins aren't that big, so you're going to have to do a lot of transactions to make that kind of money. And I don't understand why they have hired actors, but to me that's always a red flag that you can find these actors in here on Fiverr. I've seen them in other Clickbank products, and when they say they're making this huge amount of money and they're hired actors, I kind of question that. It is time consuming, I'll tell you that from experience, that you have to keep track of inventory. You have to make sure things don't go out of stock, and if they do go out of stock and your customer purchased it, then you have to let the customer know. You have to make sure that the customer gets their product, and any complaints that they have, you have to deal with any customer service. There's just a lot to customer service when you're doing that many transactions. So that would be what I would consider to be the cons of this. But overall, I think it's a good product. There's a lot of training in there, and I think you can learn a lot. So hopefully you found value here in this EB formula review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and I'd love to hear your comments below if you have done drop shipping on eBay and what you think of this product. And again, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. If you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can go ahead and check that out if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.